In this video, we'll cover a highly accurate and profitable 5-minute scalping strategy. Hello everyone, you can apply this strategy to various assets such as crypto, stocks, and many more. Don't forget to support us by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. To use this scalping strategy, first go to TradingView, then head to the Indicators tab and search for Trader xauusd Trend Scanner. Select the Trader xauusd Trend Scanner indicator by BTC Charlie. Now, let's set up the Trader xauusd Trend Scanner. In the Input tab, change the fast EMA value to 19. Set the slow EMA value to 30. For the consolidated EMA, set the value to 50. Adjust the RSI length to 10. Lastly, set the stochastic length to 10. Next, go to the Style tab and uncheck the boxes for consolidated EMA, fast EMA, slow EMA, and bar color. After that, click OK to save the changes. This indicator will act as a guide for placing entries. You simply need to follow the signals generated by this indicator for buy or sell entries. To increase the accuracy of the signals, let's add another indicator that will act as a trend guide and help set stop losses. In the Search tab, type LNL Trend System and select the LNL Trend System indicator by LNL Capital. Once added, adjust the settings. In the Input tab, uncheck the box for Show Trendline, then click OK to confirm the changes. This LNL Trend System indicator will be used to identify trends and set stop losses. If the cloud color is green, it signals a bullish trend, and you should also confirm this by ensuring the candlestick is green. Similarly, if the cloud color is red, it indicates a bearish trend confirmed with a red candlestick. How to place a buy entry? If the LNL Trend System's cloud is green, it signals a bullish trend. Your main focus is finding the best point to place a buy entry. Wait for a buy signal or the bull triangle symbol from the Trader xauusd Trend Scanner indicator as confirmation. Make sure the candlestick is also green. Once all conditions are met, you can place a buy entry after the candlestick is closed. Set your stop loss at the lowest green point and use a target take profit level with a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. How to place a sell entry? If the LNL Trend System's cloud is red, it signals a bearish trend. Your focus should be on finding the best point to place a sell entry. Wait for a sell signal or the bear triangle symbol from the Trader xauusd Trend Scanner. Make sure the candlestick is red as well. Once confirmed, you can place a sell entry after the candlestick is closed. Set your stop loss at the highest red point and use a target take profit level with a 1:2 risk to reward ratio. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe for more strategies.